you're joining Crosswave 2.0 thinking this is just another fixed leaderboard where rankings never change, you're already looking at it the wrong way. Because in this system, rankings are not permanent, and that's by design. Crosswave 2.0 operates as a dynamic creator economy, not a static competition. Your ranking can go up, your ranking can go down, and your reward allocation adjusts accordingly. Nothing is locked in until the campaign officially ends. Why? Because performance is continuously evaluated. When you upload a video, the AI performs an initial scoring pass. That's the first evaluation, but that's not final. The system may conduct additional re-evaluations based on collected data. If your content shows strong quality, proper alignments, and real campaign value, you can receive additional points. If issues are found during reviews, scores may be adjusted. This isn't random, it's structured quality control. Rankings also change because other creators are improving. Someone ranked lower today might upload a stronger, more polished video tomorrow. If their content performs better from a campaign standpoint, they can move up. This system rewards consistency and improvements, not just early participations. Now here's something important. Views, likes, and subscriber counts do not carry significant weight in scoring. That means inflating metrics won't guarantee a high ranking. The system is specifically designed so that abuse of those numbers doesn't automatically translate into rewards. So what matters most? Video quality, topic relevance, editing effort, clear communication, and whether the content genuinely works as campaign marketing material. The main benchmark for good content is simple. From a company perspective, is this something we could realistically pay for and use as a promotional material? If the answer is yes, that's strong content. This shifts the mindset from how do I upload more to how do I create something valuable, and that's a major difference. Do not spam upload videos. Uploading too many videos in a short period can trigger AI flags for spam behavior. Even if your intentions are good, excessive uploads may negatively impact how your content is evaluated. A smart strategy is to focus on quality over quantity. Limit yourself to around 1 to 2 well-made videos per day. That's enough to stay active without appearing like automated or low-effort spam. Remember, this system prioritizes thoughtful content, not mass production. Another thing to understand, leaderboard updates may not be instant. The AI processes data in stages, and staff cannot monitor the system 24/7. Especially during weekends, adjustments may take time. So if you don't see immediate ranking changes, don't panic. Patience is a part of participating in a structured ecosystem. The leaderboard will continue to be refined until the campaign ends. Top-ranked creators may undergo additional suitability checks. Scores may be adjusted if necessary. This ensures fairness, alignment, and campaign integrity. The goal isn't speed, the goal is accuracy. Crosswave 2.0 isn't about who can upload the most, it's about who can create the most aligned, brand-ready content. Your ranking is fluid, your quality matters, your strategy matters, and until the campaign officially closes, everything remains in motion. That's not instability, that's accountability. And in a serious creator economy, that's exactly how it should work.